Okay, so this was stage one, what I did so far to my Jeep project. I changed the front over here, I changed the hood, I painted this, I fixed the windshield over there. The frame was broken and the windshield was broken. I fixed the frame instead of replacing it. I also gonna fix the old hood. We put the barricade bumper. It was very easy, only 4 bolts, so it's not a big deal, nothing to mention on a video. What we're gonna do next, and we add those fender flares, make the Jeep look a little bit taller without even a lift kit. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna change those doors to the half open doors, and over here under the wheel wells there is a nice cover that go over there. I just haven't arrived yet. I'm gonna put those and then this machine will be almost done. We need wheels and tires. I'm still looking for the right one with a nice offset. We want a negative offset so the wheel will come out a little bit. And later we're going to put a lift kit. Additional thing what I did right there, you see those red pieces underneath. I already changed the lower arms to something a little bit better than the junk come from the Jeep company. This is more durable from Steinjager. And this is our kind of part one of the Jeep project. If you slow down and see what I'm doing, you can learn a lot and do everything yourself at your home. So this is our 2016 Jeep Wrangler, the ultimate sport. I left the light on purpose. I know someone gonna give me a remark that we're wasting the battery, just for you guys to see how cool it is. Part 1 is finished. Like and subscribe so you can see more.